Now you have bitwise operators, which has and XOR, not left shift, right shift, and right shift. Okay, we're gonna go like we don't go all deep on it, but we'll give you some example, and you can do more experiment on it. Okay, so we have bitwise. Basically, it was bitwise. Yep, bitwise is why. Okay, every number has its own binary. Okay, before coming in this concept, you should know the basics of binary, how binary works. Okay, the binary of 5 is 0101. Okay, the binary of 3 is 010101. Okay, okay, as you can see, as before we had talked about and or, so this becomes easy peasy for you. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, so the first we have is what? Binary. Okay, a, we have bitwise, which we have a and b. This output give you as a binary. So let me give you one example. So the result, so a, when you say a and b, the results come as a 1. Let me say how. So let me just give you an example. Okay, okay, the and value, always check that every single should be true. Okay, it's true, and we have discussed before, but here it is 0 as a false. Think of 0 as a false. Okay, okay, both are the 0, false false, so they are 0. Okay, just let me bring here. Then you have 1 0, which is actually 0. Okay, then you have 1 0. Okay, means think of binary here is 0 is a false, 1 is a true, just for example time being. Okay, and that is the easiest way I can explain you. Okay, then again you're saying 0, then what you're saying is that 1 1 are true, because and always check that it's totally strict, and it will check that every condition should be true, every condition should be true. Okay, so now what we're gonna see, the way we actually print out the binary value, we'll put the starting 0b 0b, like 0b. Then after that you can put a binary number. Okay, after 0b you can put binary number. So the result we got of a and b is triple zero and one. Okay, you have triple zero and one as we compared before. And just let me print it out, like on the Java. Okay, we got the result as a one. So whenever you just put a single and, it actually gives you a value as a binary. Okay, as a binary, it actually check the a and b with a binary concept. Okay, okay, then we have or. Okay, or is not much strict, as you know before. So uh, or always say that one of the statements should be true. Okay, 0 0, okay, both are the false. You have one is true, one is false, 1 and 0, so we'll put 1. Then you have 0 and 1, at least there is a 1. Again you have both 1. Okay, this is 1. So we got this 0 1 1 1 1, and we're gonna print it out. Just make sure that when you actually want to print out the binary number, so make sure you're putting 0b before that. And so we will print out 0 1 1 1. Okay, a or b, this is the value of a or b. Okay, 0 1 0 1 as we compare over here. Let me save and run the code in the Java, and here we go. You can see the result is 7. Okay, the binary number is this, and we are actually by this concept we are getting a binary number 7. Then you have XOR. Okay, XOR is something that for example, okay, when if it is 1 1 and 0 0, it will give you false. Okay, it will give you as a 0 value. Remember, if there is a same value, okay, same value, if you have 0 0 1 1 1, it will give you 0. So let's just look the example. Okay, I mean, just commit it out. Yep, yeah. So for example, 0 0. Okay, x, or what it does is it checks that both of the values should be opposite, then I will do 1. If both values if the same, so it will go it will give you 0. Okay, If it is 1 1, it will give 0. If it is 0, it will give you 0. Okay, if the both value is same, it will give you 0. If the means the both have different value, it will give you 1. Okay, now XOR is kind of a condition. Now you have 0 0, so it is the same, it will give you 0. Now these both are opposite. Okay, 1 0, so it will actually give you 1. Now again it will check that both of the value are opposite, like 0 is something else, 1 is something else, and it will give you 1. And when it comes to again that 1 1, before I said that if the XOR will check that if the both value is the same, it should give you 0. Okay, now let's check. Okay, what is the number we have? Like 0 1 1 0. Now just print out, like, oh god, just run the Java, and as you can see it is a 6. So we got 6 result, and that's it. This is Bitwise operator. Thank you guys.